Anuj is standing by with a quick check on how he's looking at the trade setup. Anuj, morning.
Morning, Prashant. Well, you know what? The inflation data, as expected, surprised on the positive side for the market. You know, this happens normally. For the last 2 months, it's happened that in uptrend, you keep getting some positive surprises, and the market's been in some kind of an uptrend. So you did see that positive surprise. Of course, the added trigger today is what you have on the crude prices, which again saw a bit of a decline. So that's something to keep an eye on. Also, what has happened is this time consolidation is allowing moving averages to catch up. Nifty's 5 and 10-day exponential moving averages are now catching up. The 5-day exponential moving average is at 2870 and 10 days at 2676. So perhaps another 2 days of consolidation won't be a bad thing. Not saying that that will happen, but it won't be a bad thing. The trend is up as long as the Nifty is closing above 20,850. Of course, from the global side, I was reading a report that today's policy could mark a shift to dovish stance, and markets would start to price in rate cuts from here, from as early as May 2024. Let's see if Mr. Powell obliges. Coming to today's trade on the Nifty first, yesterday we made an outside day. The bar, that is outside day bar, which is the high and low, both outside the previous day's range. So in that sense, it gives us crucial levels to watch out for, yesterday's high and low. The first support zone is 19,840 to 19,860, which is a recent low, and the bigger support is 2750 to 2780. It should have been actually 2840. I made a mistake there. And on the upside, the first resistance is at 21,038, which is yesterday's high, and the bigger resistance is 21,150, going by the options data. On the Bank Nifty, a lot will depend on whether the axis block happens in or outside of that block deal window, but purely in terms of levels, 47,004 to 46,800 on the downside, and 47,230 to 47,500 on the upside.
All right, thanks a lot, Anuj. And what stayed with me is the fact that if the FOMC talks about any hint of a dovish stance, that the market will definitely latch on to that. So perhaps that's the next big cue to watch out for. Let's take a
Thank you for watching CNBC TV 18. For all the market action and news, follow us on our social media platforms.